Now the fiddles are squeaking, the guitar's speaking, the piano plays a Jello roll. The man on the drums is far from dumb, and the bass man plays from his soul. The tables are shaky and your nerves are quaky, and the flies swarm in the door. But you're having fun, you lucky son of a gun, on a honky-tonk hardwood floor. Now the beer's a quarter, so you think you ought to order up about a dozen more. If you get too frisky and the joint gets risky, there's a guy that backs 44. If you got no money, there's a little bitty honey, and she's just the gal that you adore. So you're having your fun, you lucky son of a gun, on a honky-tonk hardwood floor. On a honky-tonk hardwood floor. On a honky-tonk hardwood floor. You keep having your fun, you lucky son of a gun, on a honky-tonk hardwood floor. Now there's a waitress handy, but she don't sell candy, she don't sell soda pop. There's a fat bartender who is there to serve you if you really want to blow your top. Now the joints are jumping and the couples are bumping, but you keep on begging for more. Cause you're having your fun, you lucky son of a gun, on a honky-tonk hardwood floor. Payday's Friday and you're broke on Saturday and Sunday, you're feeling sore. You got two black eyes that you picked up from a little guy the night before. So you swear off your drinking, but when you get to thinking of the good times you had galore, you go a having your fun, you lucky son of a gun, on